things first, I pop all the onions, bunnies.
Playboy bunnies don't want money.
Okay, people. Had to stop the music before Biggie Smalls sue us for copyright infringement from the grave. So, people. Hello, people.
Yeah.
So today we got someone in the back there.
Little visitor.
Yeah. Every now and then, you know, she appears from nowhere. You know? Oh, it's like one of those movies where you live with a real life type ghost.
Yeah.
And sometimes she makes herself present. You know, so she lives there. But you don't see her often, you know. Yeah. And today, maybe because it's cold, she just thought it's time to haunt us. So she makes herself present. That's Z.
Hi.
Well, everybody knows Z by now.
Yeah.
You know.
She's been in a few videos.
Been in a few videos. So,
yes.
As you guys see by the title, today's video is about which one of us snores the loudest. You guys be the votes on that. We're gonna leave that part for the end of this video.
And don't be putting the volume up on mine, you know. No. I know how he stays, you know.
Editors have that privilege. No, but I keep it fair, you know. I will put the videos where she filmed me snoring, I film her snoring, and then you guys say which one of us have the most bearable snore. You know. So what we're gonna do right now. J-Man, as you know, J-Man is working. Yeah. And his work requires some kind of
uniform.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
JJ?
Black slacks and white shirt.
What is he doing? Is he
He's getting ready. Yeah.
Okay. So we gotta take Jay out and he needs some clothes.
Yeah.
There he is, you know.
Long time.
Long time, but he's a working man, as you know. So, speaking of Wagwan. Yeah, speaking of Wagwan, we have an idea, and the idea is to do a vlog. And in the next vlog, you want to talk to the people, tell the people.
The next vlog, hubby is going to be talking just in Patois, and I'm going to be responding in English to see if I know what he's saying.
Yeah, so at the same time, it's kind of a Patois challenge. Yeah. You know, so I'm going to be speaking Patois from the beginning of the vlog to the end of the vlog and see how many. Wife for life, she's Jamaican. She understands Patois more than she speaks it. Yeah. But at the same time,
I don't speak it. I was like my mum. My mum was a bit
snobbish.
Mother was a bit snobbish and she didn't speak Patois, you know.
So, and Dad spoke Patois, Mum didn't. The problem is, considering that there's no Jamaican around, we're out of Patois practice, you know, because I think it's just foolish to speak to someone who doesn't speak Patois in Patois, you know. So it's been years, unless I'm around a Jamaican or I go to Jamaica, that's the only time I speak Patois. Exactly. But considering that we're a Jamaican channel, you know, most people who are of Jamaican heritage, what we're saying.
Which part
of Patois there? We don't hear them talking Patois. All kind of Jamaican people in there.
But if you do watch one of our videos, we did She Can Chat Patois. She Can Chat Patois.
Yeah, but that was more of a testing,
it's
you know.
question and answer.
But this one, you're gonna be unfiltered. We're gonna go raw. Patois. Anyway, people, Jay, I forgot to work. You see it. So we have to buy him some clothes. I have to leave out now. You know what I mean? So a little bit.
Little bit more. Looking very cold because it is.
It is cold.
It's about 29 degrees.
And we're about to bus it to the local center, which is about
8 minutes away.
Yeah, 8 minutes.
Yeah.
It's not a mirror, you know. You need to feature the real star of this vlog.
Yeah, I was. Yeah. So. Monkey's there.
I should have worn my parka because. One, I would have matched them, and two, it would have warmed my back. You know, this is a fly jacket. You know, turn the camera around so you can see a brother.
Oh, jeez.
You know. and all its elements.
Okay, I'll give you a little fashion show there.
Yes.
Yes. It's very nice actually.
It's very nice, but it's not as
warm.
It's not as warm like JJ's thing here. It's like,
got some fur in it.
Parker is like that, you know.
Yeah. So nice and warm. Are you nice and warm? Snuggly, buggly, wuggly.
Okay, let me check you out and see what you look like.
I got my teddy bear fur coat inside.
Yeah.
Swaying on the outside.
A little awesome prairie thing going on. And Z looking like she's warming up in the winter wonderland. You see the leopard and tights and boots. Yeah, that's how we're doing it.
Sucks when you have to say extra small at 17 and you're a dude.
Okay, spin around, turn.
That's too big, too long. You wouldn't wear your shirt. You wouldn't wear it out.
Yeah, because your shirt will be tucked in, so you pretty much would be here gone, and it fits good. Too big. That's definitely too big. Put your hand around the waist, inside, lift the shirt up. Okay, so you just need a belt. You just need a belt and you're good to go.
Well, pull them up too, yeah, that's it.
Okay, well, you're good to go.
Yeah.
Alright, you just need belt.
Or I can look for another one.
Or no. Need to put on some weight.
Oh, you know, do what our Jamaican parents say, or what she once says to me. He'll grow into it.
No.
Okay, we've got two more, 170 and
158.
Okay, let's try 158 first.
It probably looks a bit too small.
This is a 170. Lift your waist
No,
up.
that's the 158.
158. Okay, pull it all the way up. Let me see how much crotch length you've got.
And shoes.
Yep, just kind of move the curtains. I see what's going on. Okay. Pull.
They look better.
Okay, that's a winner. All right, let's try this belt on.
Even though you don't need it, but still.
Well, just try it on. Just run it through.
Give me the...
That's a baby's belt.
165. You need a 70. I'll get a 70. 75.
Okay, pass it to the big man. Let's see.
One's okay.
Okay. Okay, let's drag it over just to see the length.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, that works. All right, so that's the winner. All right, cool. And we are home.
We're home.
So, little working man has got his suit, as you can see. Well, the suit is here with us because in reality...
He had to go to work, yes, so...
He doesn't need it for...
No, doesn't need it for tonight, needs it for Monday.
Right, so we had to go out and do the parent thing. So behind the scenes, for all our new subscribers, behind the scenes of Ian and Tina, we are indeed parents.
Yes.
And we have to get on our parent
Especially
too.
this one.
I should get Father of the Year, don't you think? Anyway, this vlog is actually about our snoring. So here's the thing. We've been doing it for years, and now we decided that we're going to involve it in our vlog. What we usually do is we used to accuse each other of snoring, and we used to deny that we snore.
Many times I used to kick him in the bed, you know, keeping me awake. I used to give him a little kick that will wake him up.
So, considering that now we've got mobile phones and we can video anything with ease, we've decided to capture proof that we snore. Disclaimer, as you guys knew, over the last couple of weeks, I was sick. I was struggling with a cold.
No excuse.
You know, so I happen to be breathing out my mouth.
No excuse.
But
you always do now, whether you have a cold or not.
she snores. So here's the thing. I'm going to put up her video of me snoring first because it's actually, you guys are visual. You can actually see me in it, you know. So I want you to check this snoring episode of myself out and tell me what y'all think. Check it out now.
We're feeding the beast. We're making him stronger. I'm going to write. How? I look after things here in Amsterdam. I think he thinks of the family, huh? Yeah. I'm sorry if it caused you any discomfort. Is there anything I can do? How about you let me out here? I'm needing to get it for us. You're being deep thinking in the eyes. We need you not to do that.
Sending me back to the machine?
No, you've already shown us what we needed to see.
Will you let us free then? What do you hope to gain from the newcomer?
That was me snoring. So, admittedly, I was snoring. She was sneaking in, sneaking a video. When I went into like fourth gear, she quickly, withdrew. Okay, admittedly, I was snoring on that particular night.
And
now,
every night.
I need you to check out Wife for Life Snore. It's in the dark because we were in the bedroom and I didn't want to put on any light so she know that I was filming. So I need y'all to check this out. Now that you've heard,
that's not fair because my video of you, the TV was on.
No, but you can still hear me.
Yeah, you can still hear you.
You can still hear me. But here's the thing. What I want. So now we can't deny that we snore.
No.
But what I want you guys to do is say which one of those snores you could tolerate in the bed with another person, mine or hers. So that's pretty much the question where we're throwing out a snore survey. So this is gonna call a snore survey.
Who snores the loudest?
Who snores the loudest? Which one, if you had to put up with one of those snores, tell us which one you would put up with, because off the record, sometimes I have to grab the pillow and bounce. That's how bad it is. So, without any further ado,
yes,
we're gonna leave it at that. End of the vlog.
Say bye-bye, Zena. Bye.
She's
relaxing.
Yes. So, that's pretty much it for now.
Yeah.
We're gonna cook some food. Wife for Life says she's gonna throw down
some chicken. Yes, pieces of chicken in a pepper and onion garlic sauce.
Right. We're gonna save a picture. We'll throw it in at the end of our Patwa vlog.
Yes.
So you guys see what we ate. Right?
Okay.
So, ciao for now.